have arrived. It is the next morning of Mt Gambier. We ended up getting there and just yeah. So we are at the sinkhole currently. Umperson sinkhole. This is the sinkhole, Umperson.
I don't even know what she said, but yeah, I mean she's not wrong. This is a sinkhole.
Very chill. This is so chill. Very chill. I'm gonna take a photo.
Yeah, this is a sinkhole. Whoa, they move. That's really cool. Pussy boys running to options. You can't stop it, you can't stop the process. Little bit of mix could have slowed the progress. Right, left, take, can't get it, go less. 1, 2 sticks, I'll make it blow. Don't forget for hoes. Kill it, gone and let it go. It's that break these chains, I'ma let me get this.
Oh, the sun's out. It looks really pretty now.
Suck it, tell me, rip it off and give another lecture.
A lot of spider webs on there.
That's a hole.
That's a hole! And what are those things up there? They're like mushrooms? They're all over.
Yeah.
I feel like there'd be fossils in here somewhere. I don't know. This second sinkhole is in the middle of the city.
Please do not jack my style. I'm on that dumb shit, better my tongue, bitch. They gon' keep asking me how. Chains ripped off my skin, lick the blood dripping from within. Might go buried down my darkest sin. All of your listening, please join in.
After further investigation,
I'll put the close up on.
yep, there's a broomstick over there.
There is a broomstick right there.
And there is a lot of rubbish.
There's a fire extinguisher. There is a hazard traffic cone. What else? What else can we find? This is like, there's another traffic cone there. There is right there, a cart, a shopping trolley.
Oh, lovely.
Oh yeah, there's another, yep, there's a lot of stuff here, but it's very pretty still.
Yeah, and they've got all these rocks on here.
We are now at Blue Lake.
I'm not the devil, I'm a straight up atheist. Make a mess, break the system, I'm jumping over the fence, bitch. Gotta go fast, pick up the pace, came to pick up the bag. Mud on his face, dripping blood from his bag. Give me a reason to murder the track. Featuring my demon, I'm bleeding, I'm pouring my blood in a cup. Ask me what's up, get up and stuck.
It's the Blue Lake, Mt Gambier water supply. We're getting into Mount Shank now, which was about a 10-minute drive out of Blue Lake. Is actually a volcano.
Yeah. No.
Why?
Because it's not that much of a walk.
So baby, take me, I'm reminded about the calls we had. Sometimes I wonder why I never fucking call you back. Got me feeling crazy, feel regret, but why do we ignore it? Our tough connection couldn't handle, we still felt distorted. I'm trying to help you, little baby, but now I gotta go. I'm feeling dizzy, need to walk out of some winter snow. Maybe I'm just anxious about the things I'm doing, I don't know. I'm stuck with this itch and now I'm feeling like I gotta go. But I can't leave because I need that chance to be with you.
Cool,
Lookout.
cool lookout.
We're at a very cool lookout.
Very cool lookout. And now we're getting some photos of the car. Some of the photos in from where we were last. We scraped like a getting in and out of there.
Please God, understand, so what I gotta do? Yeah, what I gotta do? Please God, understand, so what I gotta
do? We've run into a bit of trouble. I wanted to look at the pretty rainbow, take a photo of it, so we pulled over just up there and heard a not so good sound, continued driving and then stopped. Basically, the brake calipers come off, so you can see there. Basically, the brake calipers come off and scraped all along there. It was also hissing, so I don't know if that was from the tyre, which I don't think it is because the tyre's looking okay. Or if it was, yeah, from, I don't know, just the brake caliper itself. But everything looks fine on the tyre. It's raining and some guy came in a ute and is currently driving Josh to get a new brake caliper bolt because it is snapped. So we've taken the other off. Yeah, so I've got to just chill here till they get back, which is not fun at all because it's really cold. Anyways, I've got sheep to look at and myself to talk to, so I know a lot of people are going to pull over and ask me if I'm okay, but at least I'll have some company. We'll check back in once we've gotten that. Okay, we're back on the road. We got it. We got the bolt. Yeah, so now we're a little bit crooked, but we're good. We're fine. We're okay. We've got 3.5 hours of driving left, which is a bit iffy, and a ripped tyre. So the tyre's very deflated, like extremely. And there's like about 5 tears on the inside. Yeah, we didn't need that at all. Don't go on road trips with a low car. Just don't do it. It's not worth it.
It is quite fun, but don't do it.
It's fun and you get cool photos, but don't do it. It's just, and the roads are just not good. Like the roads were really sharp as well, so I think that's why the tyre teared. Yeah. Well, anyways, we're in shit moods now. I mean, I'm kind of shit.
I just want to get back.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. We broke down again. We broke down half an hour later. We've been sitting here for an hour and a half. We're good though. But yeah, we're currently going back to Macca's and then we have to wait a bit to get more tyres because we are, I'll put the photos in, but we are wired up, wired down. So we've got 20 minutes to Ararat and I hope we make it there. But the one that's...
The two fronts, the big ones, the 19s.
Right.
One's got a lot of tread, one's door. The two at the rear are not as good.
Yeah, so the one here has got
Tread.
yeah. So that's why we have to wait for more tyres because we're not going to make it all the way.
Made it to Melbourne!
Civilization!
That took way too long.
Yeah, I mean we did have to stop multiple times, but we made it! That is true. We're good though now. Thank fuck.
With just 2 spares and extra spare in the back
seat. No speaker. We have 2 broken tyres.
Subs taken out.
Our lights aren't working.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the lock's
I broke the door.
Yeah. We need to go over this car big time on Sunday.
Definitely.
So just going to record the last bit now. Basically, in that like we were too like tired and angry and frustrated with everything. Went back to Lilli's, picked up her car, went back to mine. Here are the 4 tyres. So this is the teared one here. That teared when the brake caliper came off. This is the one that burst us, second breakdown, down to the wires. This is the only good tyre left, and then there's no tread. We had many issues when we first got back, which was the lock broke, that's fixed now. Had no tyres. I've just borrowed to make Cooper's tyres, shout out to Cooper. Already stock Lancer wheels. Speaker's broken on the left side down there. The 6x9 in the back. The subs aren't in still. and cutting out holes for the parcel shelf. That'll be a future video. Calming belt's due. The front pads have been done, but I don't like the brand that I chose. I just chose Repco brand because it's broke at the moment. Rear pads and rotors need to be done. Hope you guys enjoyed the trip with us. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Got some upcoming videos coming up, and that's it guys. Adios.